Hello and welcome to my class. Today's question, we have to find the fourth root of negative 169. So how to proceed to solve this question? As you can see, I have written the question on the next slide. Fourth root of 169, let it be equal to x. We have to find the value. Then fourth root of minus 169 raised to power 4 is equal to x raised to power 4. And as you can see, we can write it as x raised to power 4 is equal to negative 169. This and this cancelled, so that is equal to negative 169. So far it is clear. Then in the next step we can write x raised to power 4 is 13i square under root. We know I is equal to under root minus 1. I squared is minus 1. Then 13i square will be 169 times minus 1, that gives you minus 169. So that is why for this part I have written under root 13i whole square. Now we can write x raised to power 4 as x squared whole square, and this is equal to 13i whole square under root. Therefore we can say x square is equal to plus minus 13i. I am pretty sure till here you are clear. So x square is equal to plus minus 13i. Now in the next step we can write x square is equal to 30 plus minus 13i times 2 by 2. 2 to cancel, again you get the same number, so it is correct. And then we can further write it as x square is equal to 13 by 2 times plus minus 2i. So 2 to cancel, you get 13i once again. In the next step we can write x square is equal to 13 by 2 1 plus minus 2i 1 plus minus 2i minus 1. Now plus 1 and minus 1 cancels out and you are left with plus minus 2i. So that is correct so far. So in the previous slide we got this result, x square is equal to 13 by 2 1 plus minus 2i minus 1. As you can see here we got the same result, and then from here we can write further as x square equal to 13 by 2. For 1 we can write 1 square plus minus 2 times I times 1, and then we can write minus I. square. So hope it is clear. It will be plus I square. Sorry. I square is minus 1. So minus 1 times plus is minus 1 here. Then we can write further as 13 by 2. And this is in the form of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write here 1 plus minus I whole square. Now taking square root both sides, we get x in the left side. So x equal to root under 13 by 2 1 plus minus I whole square, which finally gives us x equal to root 13 by root 2 1 plus minus I whole square. And that is the final step, and that is our answer. Hope my explanation was clear to you. If you liked my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Here is my email ID, which you can use if you want online classes from us. And my website also, I am telling you my web address, math.sci-tutors.in. That is our website address. You can contact on that. Thank you very much once again for watching my video.